Here comes Randy. Here he is. I should have been down there, but I didn't know we were ending a race. There he goes. We'll catch him with the Jaguar now.
3 cars.
He just got done here. Well, this is the post-qualifying interview. How'd you do?
All right, I guess.
I got you.
224.
224.
224, 839 or something.
Here's the car. Let's take a look at this car. This is the car. Look at this. Wow. Now he's going to be racing this thing here. Got the crew working. Now I don't want to bother Cricket too much, but this is what Cricket does.
Hey, where are you filming all this at? Do you know how to get up in the grandstands down there? Behind your motorhome?
I was up on the tower. Okay, this is Randy's racing compound. Back there is his motorhome. There's the Jaguar. There's his racing trailer. There's Randy. Just got done with his MG. Checking things out. Here's the crew. Now, I don't know all the guys' names, but I do know Cricket. And we're going to be going around. I'm going to show you what his trailer looks like here. Here's the trailer. Look at that. It's got enough of stuff in here. Enough room to fit 2 cars. The tie downs. Here's all the tools. It's got a jack. Hey, Cricket, I'm going to ask you one question. Do you love doing this?
I love it, I love it, I love it.
Here's his golf cart. And this is it. This is the Randy Williams racing team right here. Beautiful car. Isn't that nice? Spotless. Now let's see the cockpit here. He's got this safety gear. Here's the dash. Got a little emblem that says class of 59 right on there. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. I don't know if you can see that or not. Class of 59.